Hello everyone and welcome to another weekly analysis on EMini futures Nasdaq 100 index futures looking into the week of October 23rd. And we'll start with the weekly here, and this has the extended hours. And if you see this bigger channel, which we started a sell-off that was 2021 November, and we really broke out of this whole negative trend on May 2023rd. We broke out on that one. So we are forming a smaller similar channels, and I wanted to draw your attention. If you see how it happens, consolidated and then sold off, pull back, and then really sold off, little small pullback right at that level from where it bounced and then sold off, touched the bottom of the channel, went back up again, making lower highs. So you're expecting that trend line to continue, and came back down here and then started going sideways and broke out. So if you draw similarity here, so small consolidation, sold off, pulled back to the top of the channel, right? It never pulled back to the top of the channel here. It only went halfway. So here it really pulled back to the top of the channel. Again, was testing the bottom of the channel and small pullback. So this is this area here that you're saying, and coming, so sorry, this area is seen and coming back down here. So here if you look, and this is a weekly, so small pullback and then sold off, and we are trying to see if it actually breaks this 575. If that is broken, we'll look into the daily here. These are the other bottom side. If it holds, then we are looking, obviously this is one range here, 15 or 39, and we are looking breaking up and breaking out of this channel. Now if you look at the daily here, and I'm going to take out extended hours, I'm just going to focus here. There is this whole pattern, this big M pattern that happened, and it's on that bottom of that pattern. And if it sells off from this pattern, then we're looking in this pattern here, and there is a gap here that needs to be filled right down here. So high chance it can go and fill that gap up. Is it happening next week? I don't think so. So in next week, I'm thinking it'll test this. It may fake out and pull back, or it may just sell off and hit the bottom of this channel. And either way, I'm only doing regular hour tradings. I'm not going to do swing, and I'm going to wait for it to really test this side 575. And if it doesn't pull back and it's just hovers here, or just a strong sell-off, then I'm going to take a shot and target this 355 or 356 areas. That's my plan. If it does pull back, I'm gonna when selling happens, it comes down like like a brick, and when it is really squeezing up, it goes slow as an escalator. So here, if it does start squeezing, then I'll give it some cooling points, and then take a long around this 14,700 area, and then target that 825, and obviously that area 15 or 39. That's my plan going into next week. Yes, I'm staying neutral here. Though this has been a sell-off, I did not see a confirmation as I saw in ES. Hence, I'm staying neutral. I would like to see a confirmation below this level. So far, I haven't seen that yet. And if I see the confirmation, obviously, I'm going full size in my short and targeting this level of 356, 14,356. That's the plan. That's the simple plan for next week. As always, keep your stop losses tight, your losses small, and profit at large. Thank you for listening.